Hey friends, hi to all who are connected with Food for Toddlers. Friends, today's recipe is having a flavor of South India. It's a cabbage stir fry recipe. As cooking style does not use much of spices, so it helps in bringing out the natural cabbage flavor. So let's see what all are required. We'll need some mustard seeds, black pepper, salt as per taste, oil for cooking, chopped onions, green chilies as per your taste, few curry leaves, finely chopped spring onion leaves, fresh coconut, chopped cabbage. Getting a very fine texture of cabbage is important to make this fry. So give it a fine chop. Let's begin with adding this finely chopped cabbage in a mixing bowl. Then to this we'll be adding about 1/4 cups of fresh grated coconut. Now add some salt to it and then mix everything properly. Mixing is an important step so that fresh coconut and salt blends completely with cabbage. Once everything is completely blended together, just give a massage to the cabbage mix. This step is done so that the salt is completely coated over the cabbage. And now we will leave this mix to rest for around 10 minutes. This helps in releasing the water from cabbage. Now for tempering, let's pour some oil in a pan. I'm using here normal cooking oil. You can go with coconut oil also. Traditionally it is fried in coconut oil only. Once the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds to it. Once mustard starts spluttering, add chopped curry leaves to it. And as the curry leaves get fried, add finely chopped onion to it. Give a stir. Then goes in is finely chopped green chilies. And now add finely chopped cabbage to it. And now mix them well. Make sure that oil is coated all over, as we'll be cooking this cabbage in the oil and we won't be adding any extra water to it. As we kept cabbage to rest in salt, it will help in releasing water in which gradually cabbage will be cooked. Cover and cook it. And once the cabbage is cooked almost to 90%, then add finely chopped spring onion leaves to it. Mix them. If you add these leaves early along with the cabbage, the green color is lost. So friends, actually by adding these leaves in the end, when the cabbage is almost done, it helps in retaining the maximum green color of the leaves. Now add some black pepper to it. Give a mix. Friends, do check if you need any extra salt, then add as per your taste. Now cover it and cook it for around a minute. So friends, cabbage stir fry is ready. Now I'm adding some coconut oil on it. This is completely optional step. If you like the flavor of coconut oil, go for it. So friends, this cabbage stir fry is all set to be plated. Enjoy this stir fry along with rice, or you can make stuffed chapati or parathas out of it. It can be also used as a sandwich stuffing. So hope you enjoy watching this video. So it's time to say bye for now. Meet you in next video. And to stay connected, don't forget to press the bell icon to get the information about new uploads. Also remember giving a thumbs up to the video. Until then, stay healthy, eat well, God bless.